What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's been a minute since I filmed here in Walmart, so I figured I would bring you guys along. These little bins are still here. They're so cute and nice. White, coral, blue, and green. And guess what, you guys? Now, I had a viral TikTok when I first showed these when they first came out. And guess what? They're back. The fishbowl sippers are back, you guys. They're $3.94, and I got so many requests to show the SKU on TikTok. So here is the SKU. We have peacock, we have fuchsia, and I love this one, and we have green. They're $3.94 each. Here's the shelf tag. And we just have a lot of cute things over here. The bowls from a few weeks ago. And then these are brand new. And yes, you guys, they are by the Pioneer Woman. They are so cute and so sturdy. I really like them. They're only $2.48. This print is the Juliet, and it's the teal dinner plate. And then we also have this one, Juliet, the cobalt dinner plate. And I just think they're so cute. We have a lot of super cute summer drinkware. We have the juice and drink dispensers, the cute little covered tray sets, the stemless wine glasses. These are plastic. Why did I think this one said summer's poppin'? No, it says summer's sippin'. These are really cute. These are $1.57 each. We have floral bowls. It's supposed to look like a flower. The little trays. I think these are all $3.48. Those are just so pretty. Those are $5.76 each. That is plastic, but this is metal. And then we also have clear. And then over here, we have some tablecloths. These are just $3.96 each. We also have the green, we have the blue. This is back from last year. The birds, we have the shells. So cute. We might look at some Pioneer Woman items. Maybe. Ooh, $12.92, kind of pricey, but we have these Chesapeake Bay candles. This would be really nice on an outside table. It's not citronella, but it's very substantial and nice. $9.92 down to $9.92. A little pricey, but I think it's brand new. I love this one. This is so pretty. $14.98, and these really do last. I got a black one for Birdy last year, that one, and she is still using it. It's a really good water bottle. 14-ounce twist bottle. It feels really durable. These are $5 each. We have rainbows and octopus. We have mermaids. All sorts of cups, some new colors by Bubba. This one is really pretty. It now comes with the straw. 12 hours cold, 6 hours hot. If you guys are having weather, anything like the weather we're having, we need that. I mean, it's pretty much 100 degrees here today, and it's gonna be that way for about a week straight before it drops a little. These are all so pretty. Most of them are $5.76. The double wall chillers. These are $4.98. Ooh, the pinks are so pretty. Pink, coral. We have green. And then over here, we have a variety of outdoor blankets, and most of them are $9.97. We looked at the pool towels a couple weeks ago. All the nice Better Homes items, including the iridescent drinkware, the bowls. These are so pretty, aren't they? Ooh, so beautiful. I know you guys love looking at Pioneer Woman items. So let's go take a quick look. Actually, we haven't looked over here. These are $2.98 each for berries. $2.98 for the drink pitchers. We have the take-alongs that are $3.97. And then some duplicate items. You guys let me know if you want to look at camping items. We have camping items, coolers, various things like that. Okay. Let's see if we have anything new from the Pioneer Woman. If I can get there, you guys, because I just keep seeing new things. Like, look at this. We have the Minute Maid ice pop molds for $7.98. Super cute. I don't know what the difference is in the packaging. I also saw some slushy makers on a different end cap. The Nostalgia ice cream mix. We have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Those are $2.98 each. The ice cream makers. We also have things for making snow cones. Ooh, grape, cherry, tropical punch, snow cone syrup. 4 grams of sugar per 2 tablespoons, 20 calories. I have a snow cone maker at home. I'm kind of tempted to get some of this. Cherry, tropical punch. Tropical punch is always good. Tropical punch, cherry, grape, blue raspberry. I think I'll get these. My kids would be really, really happy if I came home with those. You guys, I found some brand new Pioneer Woman items. These are little trivets. We have a horse for $4.96. Whatever this was, I don't know, it's missing. You want me to leave this on? We have the cow and we have the chicken. Okay. Oh, this is a cute set. $5.46. Super cute. Let's go find some more new Pioneer Woman items. Hopefully we can find some new items for summer. The butterfly napkin holder, I think, is new. The stacking canister set with lids for $24. So these have acai wood, lids with seals, help keep dry goods fresh. I think this is a brand new paper towel holder. $17.98. These are stackable produce bins. You can put your onions in here. You can put your potatoes in there. I feel like some of these items are new as well in stainless steel. These are brand new by Mainstays. And I think the gray might be new also. Maybe we'll have some new towels. I think this might be new. Cook your heart out. Yeah, these are definitely new. 2 towels to a set. This one has 4 towels and I think it's $10.88. As you guys see, we do have some missing. These are always good sellers. Oh, look at this, you guys. Life is sweet. Oh, with the lemon. Here we have the oven mitt, the 2 pot holders, and the terry kitchen towels. And here we have a pack of, how many? 5 kitchen towels. And it's that silkier, better quality towel. This is the cheaper variety. And here's the more silky, durable variety. I love this print. It's very, I don't know, like 60s or 70s. It's so cute. Life is sweet. I've been loving to get like a few new kitchen towels here and there. And I haven't even used the ones I got last time. I think I've purchased like 3 new sets of summer kitchen towels. These are so cute. Oh, I love those. I really love looking at the kitchen items with you guys. With you / for you. Oh, look at this for $5. A cute little 24-piece kids dinnerware set. That would be really cute for summer. So we have the salad and the dinner plate. And both of them are $2.48. That's the melamine. The Luster Skull mug. Definitely not Pioneer Woman, but they are new. Someone's having fun with the horn. Ooh, I think these are new. Bubbly drops for soda stream. We have orange, grapefruit, cherry, blackberry, mango, and strawberry. Those are $5.88 each if you have a soda stream. I don't remember seeing those before. But hey, you guys, I better hurry and get my groceries because they're gonna be closing soon. I'm pretty sure my store still closes at 11. And I think it's probably about 10:30 or so. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. Blendjet actually sent me one of these and I really love it. You don't have to plug it in. You could take it on the go. I think this one is smaller than the one I have. Yeah, this one's a little bit smaller. The one I have is bigger, but I didn't know that they were gonna be selling them here in Walmart. I really like mine. Mine is bright yellow, and they also sent Birdy one. Birdy's is white. Super, super cute. If you miss Walmart, tell me. I miss Walmart so much. Please start shopping in Walmart and filming in Walmart again, because you guys weren't really showing that much interest, so I just kind of kept it to Dollar Tree. But anyways, I'm always in here, well, at least once a week, so you guys let me know if you want me to get back to filming regularly in here. But okay, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.